Hey guys, welcome to another weekly status call. Today I have with David. Today I have company, and this is something which I want to talk about for this week. And ask David, how is it like moving forward? So David, just treat this as a casual conversation and something which
Yeah.
we're gonna talk about your current site and how I can help you with, GrabFlex. GrabFlex is something that David is doing right now that we just launched the site not too long ago. Have you seen the latest update, bro?
Yes, yes. Thanks a lot. I think you changed the concept, right, to the white concept.
Yes, correct. It's just
I
that
really
the thank you
appreciate.
page is not done yet, but let's do that on this call live so that people can see the walkarounds. Are you okay with that?
Yes, yes, no problem. But can you just
All right.
make me understand again what is it like to have a thank you page and what's the benefit if we have that or if
Ah,
we don't have that? Yeah.
okay. So a thank you page is something that allows people to feel acknowledged that you confirm their submission, their entry, or their, yeah, I mean whatever that they sign up for. Because if you don't have a thank you page, it feels, and I feel it. I mean, you as a consumer feels like you are not sure whether your submission goes through or not. So thank you page is there to confirm that this is, my submission is confirmed, is approved. So um, from us as a marketer or as a business owner of the website, we need to also do a bit of promotion, lah. Something that you can get people to, uh, you know, follow your socials, or you can also put another offer. So it's like a micro offer on top of the main offer. The main offer is on the main page, right? Then when they submit, you will be lead to a thank you page. So that thank you page is it serves multiple purpose, lah, I would say. And you can work it as something that now you have subscribed. You can also follow us in the socials. You can also check out our latest X, Y, and Z, and that is how people actually follow up, from one thing to another
Yeah.
thing, and then you can uh, quote unquote upsell them. If you realize, right, when you sign up for Mulacan, there's multiple pages after that. So those are my multiple thank you pages. If you click no, okay, that means it will forward to another page. It will be a sub thank you page. So I have a sub thank you page, which I call it the upsell pages lah, or the one time offer. So that's how I built my funnel, and that is proven to convert for people who are interested in my upsells. If they are not interested, then it's okay. So that's the reason why a thank you page has its own purpose, lah. I recommend to have it one, but if you want to keep it simple, by all means, like I mentioned, they can go directly to the WhatsApp on I mean to check what are the next steps. But in the thank you page also, you can put, if you need any assistance, you can chat with us via WhatsApp. So whoever clicks or don't click, it depends lah. It's because we are not forcing them to chat with you.
Yeah.
The one that has no thank you page kind of like forces them to chat lah, to check what's going on. But if you have instructions that allow people um, to just follow, it's up to them whether they click or not click. They never click because you give them the option. So yeah, I mean, it's all about setting the SOP right, so that you can automate many things without even chatting with them. I mean, unless you are okay chatting with them lah, because all the information dah dapat apa. So that's the idea lah.
Yep.
All right, so maybe we
Okay.
can get
Can
into
understand.
the sharing of screen so that you can see where I am coming from. Because I have duplicate many sites. Let me find your sites first. Just a moment. Well, brother Zach is here. How are you, brother?
It's muted.
I think he's muted. Yeah, on the road. Where are you now, David?
Office.
Okay. Where's the office again?
No, no,
Ubi.
no. This one is my full time job office.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Interesting.
I'm around, but I'm driving, so I'll just put on mute
Ah,
first.
okay,
Okay,
noted. So I guess correct the. It's okay.
I'm driving.
Just be careful,
Yeah,
on the road. Don't
okay.
be reckless.
Inshallah,
Safety
inshallah.
first, bro. Safety first.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make sure you put on seatbelt, eh. Okay, let me share my screen. Sekejap, eh. Da, 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 da. Okay, so we share it my window lah. It will be easier to see if we exchange tabs. Okay, so under Mulacan, okay, this is a thank you page from Pull Up Stand lah. Previously, I mean, we built for them a thank you page. You know what I can do to just change everything quickly is just to change all the logos to crowd flags. Okay, and make sure everything is lightweight. Okay. Bawah ni is another section. Sekejap You guys have social media already? Or do have? Not yet.
Facebook have. We have Facebook.
Facebook,
Instagram just open account last weekend, but nothing is there lah.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Let me also change the typography because yours is using Poppins. And then, yeah, Roboto. Okay, cool. Okay. So we can, do you want to include this social media or you want to remove it for now? It's entirely
But we don't have
optional lah.
all the social media. We only have Facebook, Instagram. That's all. For now lah. For now,
Yeah.
Instagram and
Okay.
Facebook.
So
Yeah. Can delete.
maybe we can delete first, or maybe we hide first lah. For now.
Okay. Okay.
And then because that's not the main go to
Yeah.
get people to do at the current moment. So
Yep.
I am going to hide lah. So this part, it's under here, page section, first column. So social icons over here, I can hide. Okay, sub headline, I can also hide. All right. Why is this background blue color? Let me check. None. Okay, so this one needs to be dark, and this one needs to be dark as well. Sorry, dark. All right. So this one, if I'm not wrong, I mean, there's a bit of custom coded lah for your information. That makes things beautiful. But if you not do it yourself, by all means. But I believe something that I can value add lah, because I come from a web developer background, web designer background. I think if you just do pure templates, right?
Yeah.
It might not look so nice lah.
Yep. Yep.
So this
Understand.
one, this is just a thank you page. Thank you, and then I just put crowd flags. This is just for SEO. You don't want this to be indexed also. That's not necessary to put anything. Just put dash. Okay, this one can be like this, and that's about it, bro. So I'm gonna save, and do you want people to chat with you from this page?
Mm,
Like
it'll be good
WhatsApp,
lah.
I don't
It'll be
know.
good. Yeah, it'll be good lah.
Be good, right?
Yeah.
Because that is one of the main reason to, I mean, an option lah for
Mm-mm.
them to inquire further on top of just being uh, I mean submitted their inquiry. So chat with us on WhatsApp. The color, so color WhatsApp color. So you can add the full border. You can change the border radius. Border radius can put high. Then you can play around with the padding lah. All these things are to give some space on top. What's the number again?
9362.
Sekejap eh. WhatsApp.me/65936
9090.
Okay, so that would be live. Okay, so it is a simple thank you page. I have to admit, and but it is a powerful thing. You know why? The reason on top of just a thank you page for acknowledgement of customers, you can track. Okay, so meaning to say, yes, of course, you can always track from homepage to WhatsApp, right? Over here, the stats, right? You can see how many people opt in and how many visits a thank you page and how many click on the WhatsApp. So these the numbers I don't think is accurate right now, because I think this is the views and what's it called? I'm not sure if you send your website
Testing. Yeah.
across to your clients already, but this is the numbers lah for the past month. So yeah, it's there's also opt-in. I think the opt-in also is under my testing, if I'm not wrong. So we can always reset. Do you want to reset this number so that it's fresh?
Mm, leave it lah. Leave it.
Leave it, eh? Okay, can. So
Leave it.
I'll
Yeah.
just leave it. So for hygiene purposes or to clean up, I always like to remove all this like clone. So you go to publishing. I'll just remove this clone, and then this one I'll put as thank you. Okay, so that means cloudflex.com.sg/thank you.
Bro, I
That
got
is
one
your
question. Lah. I got one question.
thank you page. Can go ahead.
Okay, so that means once the client do the booking, the calendar booking, right? Then they'll bring
Mm-hmm.
them to the thank you page, correct?
Mm,
Okay. That means the thank you page is confirmed working has already been done, lah, correct?
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
so
my
on top,
WhatsApp link my WhatsApp link will only be at the thank you page, right?
yes. So the
No
thing
other
here,
area that you put the WhatsApp link, right?
yes, no other
Okay,
areas.
understand.
So the thing here, I think we miss out lah. Since we already have a thank you page, right? You need to adjust the form. Okay. Why I say so is because the form has a this one can delete lah, law firm form. The GrabFlex form is the one that receive information kan. So from this form, form or calendar. Let me recall again. Under options, page view on form, submit application. Oh, it's under calendar. Where's the calendar? Calendar settings. Okay, this one Nazarene calendar can delete because I was doing a preview. So I'm gonna edit this under the forms and payment, right? Okay, so this one, instead of redirect URL, it will be default. Okay,
Okay.
and yeah, it will be that and save. Itu je. That's it.
What about the
So
thank you
now
message just now?
yeah. No, this one you can just leave as it is. the form,
Oh, okay. Leave it.
and then confirmation page. Yeah, you can always redirect to the thank you page lah. I mean, this is another way.
Oh.
What's it called? HTTPS crowdflex.com.sg/thank you. Yeah, but you can also leave as default. But yeah, this also works. Make sure this page is working. Let me copy and check. Okay, cool. Right, so when you click on this, yeah, you will chat with Crowdflex. Okay, cool. All right, so do you have any other questions aside from this setup? Because I think what you need to know that is built for you is the automation. This is another thing lah. Automation is notification. Okay, so this workflow is when people submit. Okay, when people book an appointment, you will be they will be tagged under people that book with. I mean, not people book with us. You can say people subscribe lah, or lead lah, new lead. Okay, and then this is a new tag. Whoever that's show interest is a new lead, and then you can also do anything. So this one can remove lah. Previously, I was doing a demo. Delete action. Okay, so this workflow is basically an automation lah. So I would just put a notification workflow. There's many type of workflow that you can do. So on top of just add text, right, you can do this thing called internal notification. So this is where you can get SMS, you can get notification, but I'll just choose email notification from, you can say Crowdflex admin. And then this will be from your email. What's your main email? Have you set up your email yet, bro?
Yes, done. Hello.
Nice. Is it from Google? Crowdflex.com.sg.
Put up at the chat group, flex.com.sg lah. Yeah. Ada.
Okay, so user, this is where you do your custom email lah. You can also send to yourself, because this is where you get the notification. And then over here you can say you got a new lead, right? And then templates, you have a template, you can create a template lah. Something right now there's no template. Okay, tak apa. We can save the action first. Okay. Ada input lagi. Oh, you got a new lead. Save. Okay, so we save this first. The reason why I encourage template, because that can be used for your emails if you want to lah. So emails is under here, marketing. So there's templates. There's many type of templates lah, but you just create a simple one. Design editor. So I will say
Bro.
you got a new lead. Okay, and then over here you can add anything if you want, but it's just for your information to add your client's data or the submission data. But I usually put over here an image, or usually an image of your logo. A bit too big. Maybe I'll just put 200. Yeah, we got a new lead. Okay, so over here you can put text. Okay. Right. I think we can just leave it as it is and keep it simple. because this is just a notification lah. Save template. We name this as notification email. We can be fancy, but I don't think we have the time to do everything lah. So now we go back to the automation again, and go here. Okay, so internal notification over here. You just click. Yeah, this is the template. Okay, and then you save. And then make sure you click this one to publish and save. So whoever submits the form right now, you will get the notification. And then if you want them to uh, receive a notification as well, okay, you can also send email, send SMS, you can do everything here. Send invoice, you can do many things. So but basic one is send email lah. So as send email to lead. So from you can say from Flex Singapore. This one will be Flex. Subject is thank you for your interest. Or yeah, thank you for your interest. Then template, you can use this one to edit and create a new template. Okay, instead of saying this, thank you for your interest. Someone from our team will get to reach someone from our team will get in touch with you within 24 hours. Okay, you can also do other things like your thank you page lah, but I'll not do that. I'll just save as new template. I'll name this as welcome email. That's it. Itu je. These are basically the two type of emails that you need to execute. First, internal to yourself, and then to the to the customer or the lead. Okay, remember to save your action, and there you go. This is your workflow. First, you
We
you
have
got
the access
them
to
tagged.
the workflow, right?
Who?
Me.
Oh yes, of course. You have the access to the workflow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
you do. So you can also check lah how many people go through the workflow. You can try and test out, and it will be shown over here. So it's quite straightforward lah. You can even do it now.
But you haven't give us the access.
Ada. I did. You see,
You did,
under
is it?
settings, yes, I did. There's already David Onana there.
No.
Oh,
I mean
this is the old
whole,
email, is it?
Yeah, that was the old email.
Okay, I'll edit this. So .sg kan?
.com.sg.
Okay, so I'll just
Yes, correct.
update this because your permission is already admin for this account. So I'm gonna save. Okay. Do you have the OTP? Oh, this is my OTP. Sorry, because I am the super admin of the platform.
Yeah.
5. Okay. Do you receive any notification from your end?
The email, is it?
Okay, never. I'll send a
The email?
verification email. Yeah.
Let me refresh. Don't have.
Don't have?
Refresh. Okay. Ada.
Have
Yep. Welcome to
Okay,
Mulacan.
so you can set your own password and then you can go in and log in accordingly. And yeah, that's about it. I think the most important thing to track is your CRM lah. I think that is where under context you can have all these people into one place, and you can also filter them. If you need to, based on when they submit, how they submit, and yeah. this is the place lah that you can check all your submission under context. So if you want to play around, I think for
Okay.
sites, if you have things to change, of course you can play. If you want, I can always duplicate this clone, make this as
Mm-hmm.
a like a maybe test lah for you to play around so that you don't
Mm-hmm.
disturb the main one. Then you feel
Yep.
confident to make the
Yeah.
change, you do it on the real one. So you can play. I mean, you can make the changes over here, and then you can apply the changes over here. Okay, and then it's just sites marketing. If you want to change the email, automation on the workflows, and calendars to check who booked your appointment. See, your appointment also will be here if you
Okay.
have people book lah on your calendar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so pretty much that's it, bro. I think that
Okay.
will sums up today's call in helping you to know which part of Mulakan for you to play around with. Do you have any questions, David?
At the moment, no. I need to play around. Need time to adapt to the the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, after a while, right? If you go in every day for a week, I believe you can get used to it already. Because when you go inside it's called funnel. What we are building for you is called funnel. But I use a layman term called one-page websites. So you have a homepage, you have a thank you page. So this is a funnel that we built for you. So when you edit or when you see how this one also need to change. Let me help you to change as well. Um, the idea is to get people to go through what you can offer. I believe if Perflex is pushing traffic to you, I think it's easy already lah. And all you need to do next is to track the numbers lah. Out of 1,000 people that visited the website, how many people convert, how many people click, and that's how you can track the numbers lah. Okay, I'm gonna publish this change.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's about it, bro. It's useful for guys like you guys to jump in this call so that I can help directly. It's like a one-on-one coach, but I'm doing this for free and no extra cost.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I also mentioned about the part-time CRO, part-time CMO offer. I think I chatted with you guys before. This is something
Yep.
to assist you guys in the in tracking your numbers, because it's all about the numbers. If I were to give you an example of uh, even my own page, right? I have an offer called one. Wait, just a moment. The podium. Okay, this is my podcast lah. Where I just create the one page only. There's no even a thank you page. The thank you page is actually our external form. So over here we track stats, and for the past 1 month, we have 34 uniques. So I'll just update the guys lah that these are the numbers that we have. A few of them, view it, but there are 34 people that reach, because we printed a flyer that has a QR code that comes to this page, and the numbers count lah, and it's very useful for you to actually track these steps, because to be honest, if you have more steps, it will be more meaningful lah, the number, so that where people stop or where people go to in their journey in your funnel. So
Yeah.
yeah, so that's about it, bro.
Alhamdulillah. Yep.
I hope you test this out, and I mean, since you are the latest, not really the latest, second latest project that we have done, I would hope that you can actually drop us a review. I'll share with you the links later, and then you can also attach the mock-up together with the review on
Okay.
Google and I don't think Facebook have. I don't use Facebook much, but I think Google reviews are important. That will help us to grow, and that will help to build the community as well. Can I, bro? All right. I think that
Can.
sums up
Thank you
the
so much.
sharing of screen. We have Hakim. Hakim, how are you, brother? When do you come in?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah. I came in like last 10 minutes.
No problem, bro. Okay, so I think one good thing about this call, maybe we can do a little bit of chit chat lah on networking. Maybe you can get to know what David and Zach is doing. Hakim is a okay. Hakim, just introduce yourself lah. Would be good lah.
Hey, yeah, okay, sure. Yeah. Hi, guys. I'm Hakim Isman. I'm the founder of These Inspiring Tales, where I interview and meet inspiring entrepreneurs, and storytell their entrepreneurial journey, like how they started, the challenges, and where they are right now. Yeah. To also increase the brand exposure and also funneling down as well, like how Nazrin always emphasize on funnels. So we use DM automation strategy to funnel down to the landing page where Nazrin create it for me as well. So I'm working with Nazrin to do landing pages for my clients as well. Yeah.
Awesome. So vice versa, David. Maybe you can also introduce yourself, bro, or Zach, if he's not driving lah. David, you're there? Okay, I think he's out. Kim, on your page, I just wanna like see if you want to make changes to it because it is currently direct selling lah. What I am thinking is to change it to lead generation. That means you have something to give in exchange of value. Do you have something with you to offer?
Yeah, I was thinking the same also. So maybe to entice. Yeah, but I'm thinking about
Yeah.
what I can entice.
I believe someone young like you have definitely a lot to offer again. So it's what I feel you can give for free lah, definitely. By the way, your funnels got dua. You duplicate it, is it? Do
If
you
I'm right,
duplicate it?
I was trying out the A/B testing.
Okay. So the funnel is the one that you duplicate. Is it the one? This is the original one?
I think so. Yeah.
Oh no, no, no. This is not the. This is just a normal template.
Oh, okay. Edit
Okay,
it.
okay. So what you have to do, yeah. So probably if you have some time, like even next week, you can just drop by. We can talk about how you can change your offer lah. Because right now, whoever is visiting Inspiring Tales page is uh you selling them the how many thousands of dollars that you put up your package. Yeah. So you might want to change a bit in terms of yeah. What's your story? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This will lead to a pop-up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
maybe
It's
maybe it can
actually
be like a storytelling guide on how they can storytell their journey. So maybe like a free
Be-
PDF guide on storytelling in business.
Alah, you prepare lah because this one is AI generated, bro.
Yeah.
So if you can come up with something like a book cover or something that you can share with them, because definitely it needs to be something they really, really want, and they cannot get elsewhere, only through Inspiring Tales. And then yeah, that's the thing. This one can be linked to your Telegram. Is it linked to your? Yeah, it's Telegram.
Yeah. Okay, can.
So they
I
are.
work on the PDF. What do
You
you
see,
think about the PDF? Okay.
this is actually an offer, bro. Storytell with us for free. Serious, for free, maybe
Oh, I see.
this is a good. This is a good. This is a good offer. You know why? Storytell with us for free. With us aja.
Yeah.
That means if you want to reach out to your community or your followers, it's another thing. Faham tak?
Oh, I get it. Yeah.
So it's like manipulating the word game. You
Manipulating.
story because
Yeah, yeah.
I
He's
I mean
sharing. He's
marketing
sharing
is
with
in
me, but not our audience yet.
so the first step share with me first. So us is consider you lah. It can be your community, it can be you, but what you are referring here, hopefully whoever don't listen to this call is sharing with you only. But
Yeah,
if you
correct.
want
I
to
get. I get what you're
share
saying.
with your community, then of course there's a price to pay lah. Then but this one need to change a bit lah. Transfer your brand. But if you want to remain also can. This one can put your picture.
Can. Thanks,
Yeah,
Nas. Thank
no
you.
problem, man. So I think that wraps up today's call. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Although you guys don't know on your video. Kau kat mana ni sekarang?
I,
I yeah. Where are you, Hakim?
I'm in KL.
Ah, you in KL?
Yeah,
Right,
last
right.
minute,
Oh,
very last
David.
minute, very last minute.
I mean, which part of KL? Bukit Bintang.
KL, the heart of KL. Now I'm at Berjaya Times Square.
Berjaya, a bit rundown. I feel. So David is back. David, just now Hakim was like introducing himself. I'm not sure if you guys you heard it, but maybe you can do the same. Introduce yourself. What do you do? Can get to know each other also.
Hi. Hi, Akim.
Hi, hello,
Uh,
David.
I'm David, and then I have my partner here with me also, Zach. I think he's driving. So yeah,
What do you guys do?
we are doing grouting services in Singapore. So we offer grouting services using high end product. The product name Copper Flex. So yeah, so we go around people's house, do grouting, and I don't think many people know what's grouting now. So it's basically a tile line in between tiles. So yeah, that's the thing that we're doing.
Do you know what's a grouting or not, Hakim?
I don't know. I don't know what's grouting. I was about to Google search.
Yeah, basically, you know the celah-celah, your tiles, right? The lines. Yeah. After some time, it get decayed, it get old, it get I don't know. There's a lot of mold stains. So these guys help it to kind of like, is it like a cementing? Something like uh, I don't know, something like plastering that thing to make it new, to make it look as new. So I'm quite surprised that this is even a service. I thought it's like contractor job, but it's really niche. And these guys are the sole exclusive is it reseller or distributor in Singapore, bro? So yeah,
Oh, wow,
glad to
amazing.
have them here in
I'll check out Groutflex. Groutflex, right?
groutflex.com.sg. So David say it's a high-end plastic to replace the
Yep,
cement.
correct.
Ah,
Awesome, awesome.
so we learn from each other. And maybe David or Zach drop. I mean, you guys, if you want to, be part of the Golden Nuggets podcast, also you can reach out lah, because to get the word out. Because I think many people want to know what exactly is grouting, and that's what we do lah in the space. Hakim, David asked, what's your website? Oh, Hakim, mana kau?
Yeah. Sorry?
What's your website?
My website,
Yeah.
thisinspiringtales.com.
Yeah. I think internet is not on David's side. They're the THIS, inspiringtales.com. Ah, nice. Saya Omar message in WhatsApp that the call is on, tapi dia tak masuk. Let me reply. Able to call, then start the call. We are wrapping things up. Okay, guys, do you have any last questions or not? We can wrap this up. Any future things that you want to do, implement, just shoot aja.
Maybe adding a video in the website.
That's a good thing because you know why? That's what we did in the TGN page. Do you see it?
I haven't saw it yet actually. Later I
Yeah.
check it
Okay.
out.
Let me give you a preview, lah, bro. So podium.tgnpodcast.com. So this is basically getting people to, because this is called VSL, video sales letter. For David and Zach also, if you have a video of your services, I would advise you to also put inside as a video sales letter. But you're not really a sales letter, but it's more into people getting to know what you offer. So this podium is actually a segment that the podcast is offering. We've interviewed many guests before, and just sharing about the struggles, the pain, and then we provide you a solution lah. We provide a short form and then access to community, and then there's you know the the the, the the benefits lah, the features lah. And yeah, that's about it. $250, and the sign up, it will go into an external form. It can be internal form in Mulacan, but Ame has already built. I mean, one of the podcasters have already built the form, so we'll just remain it as it is. And segitu je. That's about it. Simple, straightforward.
How's the sign-ups?
We haven't. I mean, the tracking is on Ame's side, so I don't know. This is the one that also run by your campaign as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Because
this is
there
the
are quite a
URL.
number that commented the keyword lah. So not sure whether we went through whether they click the button or not. I'm not sure.
Right. From Mulacan itself, there's about 38 clicks.
Oh wow.
Unique visitors.
Oh, wow.
So out of that 38, I'm not sure. I need to check with Ame. What's the
Yeah, I think the follow-up is also very, very important.
correct?
It's a
So
major factor.
in any service-based industry business, I think follow-up is key. Like even I have a client who say want to do website 1 year ago or 2 years ago. I'm still following up, bro, because they said okay, we'll consider. But okay, we'll consider. I keep you in mind. I make sure I follow up until our threads is all about following up. For about a good year, because every quarter I check in lah. So yeah lah, that's about it lah. Okay, this side Omar say that he will be coming in next week. All right, cool. He's not a subscriber yet, FYI, but he show intent. But looking forward to bring him on, inshallah. Okay, that wraps up for this one. Let me know if you guys need any additional help. We will chat and discuss again next week. Same time, 4 p.m. Whether you're in Singapore, you're in KL. If I'm even traveling, I will still do this regardless, lah, inshallah. So with
Thank you
that,
so much.
let's wrap this up, and I'll see you guys next week.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
Nazreen.
Take care, Hakim. Bye.
Bye.